In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Google Sites. This is a really useful skill when you're building a website and you want visitors to easily move between different sections or pages. For example, you might have a home page and want to link text to a project mission page, an about page, or a contact page. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can recreate it on your own site. First, open your Google site in edit mode. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, then go to Google Sites and open the specific site you want to work on. You should see the site layout and along the top, the editing toolbar. If you don't see any editing tools, you're probably in preview mode, so just switch back to editing. Next, find the text that you want to turn into a link. In this example, the text is Project Mission, but on your site, it might be any heading, word, or short phrase that you'd like to make clickable. Using your mouse, click and drag over that text to highlight it. You'll know it's highlighted when it appears with a colored background, just like when you select text in a document. Once your text is selected, look at the toolbar that appears either directly above the text or at the top of the page. Find the link icon there. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click that icon. This tells Google Sites that you want to attach a link to the text you've highlighted. After you click the link icon, a small panel will open. In this panel, you'll see a list of the pages that exist within your site. This is really handy because you don't have to copy and paste any URLs for internal pages. Simply look through the list and click on the page you want this text to link to. In our example, you might choose a dedicated project mission page from that list. When you've selected the correct page, look for the button labeled Apply in the link panel. Click on Apply to confirm your choice and save the link. The panel will close and your highlighted text will now be an active link to that page. At this point, you can use the Preview button to check your work. Click Preview, then click on your linked text to make sure it takes you to the correct page. If it does, you're all set. If not, just return to Edit mode, reselect the text, click the link icon again, and choose the correct page.